Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I am going to see you how to make bootable macOS Ventura USB drive on Mac step by step. First, you have downloaded macOS Ventura DMG file, 16 or more gigabytes of storage USB drive, and that's it. So let's start. Here's my tutorial on how to download macOS Ventura on your Mac using a developer account for developer macOS. Also, I will update the guide as Apple release beta and public macOS Ventura in the same article. The link is given in the video description. If you already downloaded the macOS Ventura setup DMG file, then skip this step and let's make a bootable drive using the terminal command. First, you have to correct the format of your USB bootable drive, otherwise you will get an error on formatting. So open the disk utility on your Mac, select the USB drive from the left side of the window and click on Erase to clean your USB drive incompatible format. Here you have to select name is USB. Formate type is macOS Extended Journal, and schema type GUID Partition Map, that's it. Now click on Erase. Here I am getting an error because it's used in the terminal, so I am closing the terminal. Now repeat the same steps. If you are getting any errors, then close the problem which is in use for USB drive. That's it. Here I erased the USB drive successfully and ready for the bootable drive. Now, open the terminal app using Spotlight Search, and here's the command link on my screen. Let's be a master and make your own command as per your macOS version, USB name and more. So that works 100% in any case. First, type sudo in the terminal and make a space, then find the macOS file under the Finder Applications folder. Here's install macOS 13 beta, press I to find the setup file in alphabetical order. Once you find it, drag this file to the terminal to get the setup path automatically in the terminal. Without any space, copy the reset of the command that's given in the video description. With no spacing. Make sure here my USB drive name is USB. If your drive name is different, then replace here what you named. That's it. Now all is fine, hit the return to run the command. Now, enter your Mac login password to verify and start the drive making process. It will take a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your USB writing speed and copying speed. It will go from 10% to 100%. Don't close the terminal until you get the message Install Media now available at. Now, you can close the terminal and ready to use bootable USB drive for installing macOS Ventura on supported Mac. Still you have any confusion, then comment me.